Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel that covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff. In this channel we cover a lot of vehicle accessory things, so things like Outlander hood emblems, side moldings and whatnot. So one of the coolest things that you can get on the Outlander is the interior carbon fiber trim. I made a video earlier how to install the full set. I'm gonna link that video in the video description, so if you just hit the video description you'll be able to see that link to that video. But today we'll have a look at this. So instead of having this whole entire thing with the carbon fiber, we are gonna just install these two pieces. Basically this one goes around the e-brake and this one goes around the gear shift and the terrain select shift. So these things give the biggest visual enhancement of the Outlander. These are the two most noticeable parts of the carbon fiber trim, and of course it reduces the cost to install if you only put these two versus the entire thing. So now let's get in the car and see how it's done. It's quite easy, you can do it yourself. There's just a couple of things you need to know. Let's get it done. So this is how it looks without anything covered. So this here is SC trim level. As you move up to higher trim levels, like you might have you know, different inserts here, but basically this is how it looks on this particular one. And now it's quite simple. We just literally you know, remove this from the packaging, and basically we'll stick it on. So this one here is this double-sided tape basically, right? So we just take it off and then peel it off. Now before you do anything, you always want to make sure that this surface is very clean, because if you don't do that, what will happen, you know, like there might be like some dust or like, you know, fingerprints or whatever, right? It might just not stick on properly. So you need to degrease everything, maybe use like a alcohol rub or something. So I did that here. I cleaned everything, and now just please don't rush when you do it yourself. So, and see if you can like align it first where it should fit. Okay, very important you do this before you actually put it on, right? Because once it's on, it's on. You can't take it off without, like, you know, a lot of like peeling and whatnot. So okay, so this is the part that is going to be on. Okay, so we can see how this is going to fold right there. So, and always when you start putting these things on, start with this side here, right? So you do here and then you just kind of go there and just like fold at the very top right there. So okay, now I think, you know, we found our perfect position. We have like lined everything up here. Now it's the most nerve-wracking moment. Okay, so we peel this off, and we can see even on the other side we have a nice carbon fiber looks. And very carefully we just line it up in the same position that we just figured out would be the best position for it. Okay, nice and easy. Don't rush. Very important, don't rush. Okay, and then just tap gently just in case you might need to remove it and whatnot. Okay, we got it. So that way there's no like air bubbles in there, anything like that. And now let's just roll like this. There we go. And apply some pressure so it sticks on real nicely. Just go all the way back. There we go. Okay, that's that. And now we have this small trim piece right here that basically would just go here. All right, so beautiful looks again. Let's remove it, and very carefully we place it where it belongs. There we go. Okay, excellent. And now we do exactly the same thing on the shifter. First we measure it where it belongs. Okay, we find the perfect spot. Again, please don't rush, take your time. It's not a race. Although if you want to compete with your neighbor who does it quicker, you can race. Just kidding. Okay, remove it. And gently, slowly put it on. Tap it a little bit in its place. We got it right here, okay. And this goes right there, perfect. And now let's do the strip. Okay, first we put it right here. Okay, that will be good. Remove it. Okay. Excellent. Same thing. Let's just apply a little bit of pressure. So it sticks well. Beautiful. Okay, and now it's done. It was fairly easy, doesn't take a lot of time, and the visual effect is very, very big once you look at it. This one gives you the most visual effect on the carbon fiber looks. Such a small thing, but it makes a big, big difference. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching on how to install this carbon fiber looks. So I hope you liked the video. Hope you liked the install. Fairly easy. Gives you lots of satisfaction that you did it yourself and you made such a big enhancement just by adding this carbon fiber layer. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.